lemongrass, calamansi, magic sarap. Mag-marinate natin to. Tapos, na budo. Parang kausap yung klase ng sisbing na aking ginawa. Diba? Ayan, tawad na ito. This is the result of my marination. And it's for ito na sticky pan. Ayan.